नमस्ते सब लोग, कैसे आप लोग?
नमस्ते विद्या जी।
नमस्ते बसंती जी, नमस्ते ऐहिका, पर्णिका, लक्ष्मी, सिद्धार्थ, आर्यन,
नमस्ते।
रोहन, मोक्षा, मायरा, करीना, अंजिका, कैसे सब लोग? सब लोग ठीक है? अच्छे हैं?
अच्छे।
बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश। सिद्धार्थ, क्यों अच्छा नहीं है सिद्धार्थ? सोहन अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा, ठीक है। अभी हम 1 मिनट और इंतजार करेंगे और देखेंगे कौन कौन आ रहे हैं। किसको समझ में आ रही है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? हिंदी समझ में आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? थोड़ी बहुत? ओके, बहुत। मायरा बोली नो, ज्यादा नहीं, ठीक है। सोहन, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी एट ऑल और नो? लिटिल बिट? Sometimes, okay.
And I meant a little bit too.
Okay, who does not understand us any setup, even though you're reading writing, but you don't understand anything? Is anybody like that here? No, okay, good job. That's good. You're all doing very good. For last 6 weeks, yay. Can you believe it? We are at the end of this pre-camp literacy week. Tanishka is like, oh yeah, good. No more homework. Are you happy that this is getting over, or are you, waiting for the camp to begin like just now, right now, right? Are you waiting for that?
I'm excited for the camp.
Pardon me?
I'm excited for the camp.
Very
me too.
Very good. But do you now prepare that you are now feeling confident about the camp, that you can read, write in Hindi, and you can a little bit feel more, participate better and understand more, right?
Yeah.
With all the work that you did. So 80% of any success is what? Does anybody know? Hi, Sohan, yes. Hi, Vihan. Hi, Mishka. Okay, Sohan, what is it? What is the 80% of success of anything? Anybody knows?
Hard work.
Okay. Anybody else?
Practice.
Practice, hard work. What else? Anybody has any other idea? It's actually even simpler than that. So, Namaste Rishi. Namaste. Who else just joined in? I think Lakshmi is here. Ahika, Anjika, I think. Okay, Siddharth, do you have an answer?
Is it faith?
Faith. Okay, that's one good thing. Yes, faith is good to have. Like you have some faith that you can get ahead. So somebody said hard work. Someone said hard work. Somebody said practice. Somebody said faith. Okay, Aryan. What do you think? Patience? Huh?
Concentrating.
Concentrating. Okay, that's very good. I mean, you all know what are the good things that are needed for success. And anything else? Anybody else has any other idea?
You want to learn it?
Yes, very good. You want to learn it, like it should come from within. Like if somebody forces it on you, then it feels too much work and like you feel bored and like, do I have to do it? So when you really want to do it from within, then it just feels good. You are interested in it. But even simpler than that, which is what you have all been doing for last 6 weeks. So I'm just, okay, Myra?
Is it Hindi?
Hindi, okay, Hindi is good to know for success, that is true. Okay, Parnika?
Is it participation?
You're saying participation?
Yes.
Okay, you're actually very close, very close.
And I actually know Hindi.
Okay, that's
Okay,
great.
namaste. Actually हिंदी पता है.
आपको हिंदी पता है, बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ, मुझे पता है.
Very good, good job. Okay, so those who are just coming in, Ishank and Sesha and Shanmukha and Anish and Dia And Anjika is here. And who is signed in by Umesh? Who is signed in as Umesh?
Oh, it's Advik. Sorry,
Ad-
we're having some technical difficulties.
Is it Advik? Is this Advik?
Adya.
Adya. No, Advik. He said Advik. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so very good. So we were just discussing about what is 80% of any success, and people gave us many guesses like hard work, practice, and interest, and participation, faith. Anybody has any other ideas? Okay, Karina,
Knowing Hindi.
knowing Hindi. Yep, she said.
Yeah, that would make it so easy because then you know the stuff.
Right, you know it already, right? Okay, but this is just in general success in anything. Okay, Sham?
Determination.
Determination, very good. I think whatever is in your head, it's all coming out right now. Okay, Mishka. Mishka, what do you think is important for success?
Patience.
Patience, excellent. How about you, Advik?
Doing your homework on time.
Doing homework on time, very good. You all have excellent ideas. Okay, Siddharth. What do you think? Okay, Rishi, Amaya,
Knowledge.
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 Yes, that is absolutely necessary. What else? Dia, what do you think is important for success? Amaya?
Optimism and positivity.
Oh yeah, very good. Optimism, positivity, faith, hard work, participation. You're all on the right track to succeed. Very good. So I was getting to something much simpler, which you have been all doing for last 6 weeks, which is just, okay, Shanmukha, do you have something? Okay, say. Did you want to say something, Shanmukha? You had your hand up?
Focusing on whatever you do.
Okay, yes. All of this is very related and very connected. But so I'm just going to sum it up in like 2 small words. It's like, this is a saying that 80% of any success is just showing up, just showing up. And you have been showing up week after week for last 6 weeks. So that is what is setting you up for success. So anything that you do, so everything, even participation is like showing up, practice is showing up, turning your assignments on time is all showing up, being there. So, and all of that, if you just keep doing consistently, and as a message, you have patience and you have hard work, your concentration, you have faith in yourself, then all of that leads to success in anything. It doesn't need to be just Hindi, it's anything that you do in life. So I'm so excited that you're all this solid, optimistic kids are in the camp this year. So we are all looking forward to working with you. And today, what is the topic for today? Anybody remembers? Yes?
Learning about book creators.
Yep, book creator. And I know some of you already know it. I know Anjika knows it. Anybody else knows book creator?
I know book creators.
Okay. Okay, very good. Are you all signed up in the Chinmay Missions, our book creator library? Okay.
Yeah, I am. I'm signed in. Yes.
Who isn't signed up yet? Okay, Myra and Sohan. Okay. And Vihan, you need to sign up then because we sent this code last week. So make sure you sign up with that. All you have to just sign in with your Google credential and click on that library code that I sent, and you will be in the library. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. I know some of you already know it, but many of our friends don't know it. So we're going to give them a tour, and you can all help me if you already know it. You can, you are welcome to help us on this guided tour. All right, let's go. I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, where is my book creator? That is. Okay, so I'm sure you're seeing my screen now. So when you come in this library, you will see all these different books. So your teachers have already prepared these books for you. It says, what does it say? Can somebody read? Okay, Tanishka.
Mera
Hmm?
parichaya.
Mera parichay. What does that mean? Anybody knows?
I do.
Okay, Anjika.
So it's like my introduction.
Yes, exactly. My introduction or self-introduction. Sohan, do you have a question?
I was going to answer your question.
Okay, so is it the same thing or you're going to say something else?
Yeah, it was the same thing.
Okay, very good. So Mera Parichay is my introduction. And so everybody knows who your teachers are by now? Okay, I'm going to for a second stop sharing. Okay, does everybody know who their teachers are? Is there anybody who does not know what class they are in yet? Ahika, do you know your teacher? Ahika,
Teacher.
say that again, please.
How would you go there?
How do you go there?
Yeah.
You mean in the classroom, like in the Google Classroom or in the Zoom classroom?
No, like where you were showing the books.
Oh, there you go by bookcreator.com. I think Parnika already explored that, right, Parnika? I liked all your remarks that you already put on there. Thank you for all your love and liking. I think Parnika already explored the books there. Can you show Ahika also how to go there? Is she not there in that?
Can I off my camera to go help her?
Yeah. If she has not done that yet, please help her. Okay, कृषि आपको कोई प्रश्न है?
जी मुझे अपने टीचर नहीं पता है.
आपको टीचर नहीं पता आपको? अच्छा ठीक है. लक्ष्मी, do you have a question?
Yeah, I don't know who my teacher is.
Okay, so looks like some of you either haven't heard from your teachers or either your parents haven't conveyed that to you. But I think Lakshmi, you are in the classroom with, I'm going to put the roster out. Let me quickly put the roster out here for now. So Krishi, आपके teacher है आशीष अंकल और भानु आंटी, and you will be in the दोस्ती कक्षा. And Lakshmi, if I'm not mistaken, you're going to be in Sat Kaksha with Prerna auntie and Lalita auntie and Shipra auntie. That's, I think, if I remember that right. Okay, Maya, आपको कोई प्रश्न है?
कैंप की टीचर्स हमारी प्री कैंप की टीचर मुझे पता है, पर जब हम मंडे पर कैंप शुरू करेंगे वो सेम टीचर रहेगी या टीचर बदल जाएगी?
वो सब बदल जाए. So जो those who were assignment teachers in the pre-camp time, they'll be probably different. Some of you might have the same teachers, but most of you will have different teachers. So Maya.
और हमको पता कैसे लगेगा कि हमारी टीचर कौन होगी या कौन होएगा?
हाँ, उन्होंने आपके टीचर्स ने वैसे आप सबको भेजा है, पर आई थिंक आशीष अंकल ने अभी तक भेजा नहीं है, तो आप आशीष अंकल की कक्षा में हैं.
तो दोस्ती कक्षा?
हाँ, तो आप दोस्ती कक्षा में.
ठीक है, धन्यवाद.
ओके, आद्विक, आपको कोई प्रश्न है?
Will you send us a list of what our camp teachers will be?
What your camp teachers? Yes, I mean, yes, all the teachers have actually sent out an email or some communication to their students. If you haven't yet received it, it's probably you are in Dosti Kaksha, so Ashish uncle is going to send it this evening or maybe tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Also, I have 2 questions.
Okay.
So one, in the messages you sent us, the time period says 1 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. for clubs.
Okay.
You also said that we will do all 4 clubs in one day. So how do we manage to do all of this in such less time?
Okay, so I'm sure the email or message did not say that you will do all your camps in one day. Who knows how the camps are going to work? Anybody wants to answer? Okay, Anjika.
So as long as I know that it's going to, since we switched from 3 camps to 4 camps, then we're going to do each camp for I think 3 days, and then we're gonna switch them after the 3 days.
Exactly right. So that means you're going to do only one camp in one day, or you're going to do all camps in one day? All clubs.
One camp in one day.
One club. You're going to do one club in one day, and in fact, you're going to do one club for 3 days. So that's a 3-day rotation. Then you switch to the next club on the 4th day. So for days 4, 5, 6, you do another club. Then for days 7, 8, 9, you do a 3rd club. And you were all sent that club selection form. Who has not chosen the club yet? Does anybody know that they have not made a club selection yet? Because I know some kids haven't made their selection yet. So make sure that you all select your clubs, because then you will be in those clubs on those days. So there are 4 rotations. Okay, who can tell me what are the clubs we have? Okay, Vihan.
Cooking club, science, art, dance, singing, and one more. I just can't remember.
Okay, who remember that one more? Parnika, do you remember the club?
I picked 4 clubs instead of 3.
Pardon me?
I picked 4 clubs instead of 3.
No, everybody will be in 4 clubs because there are 4 rotations, but we total have 6 clubs. So I'm saying, which is the 6th club?
The last one, storytelling.
Storytelling. You're going to make your stories and tell those in Hindi. So these are the 6 clubs, and these are the selections that you have already made. You can check with your parents, so you will know what selections they have made for you. Okay, Parnika, do you have a question?
I don't know which teacher I have, and also I'm not able to go onto the book creator library. Every time I search up, it goes to your book.
Okay, we're going to work on that right now. Let's see. Okay, Naisha, do you have a question?
I don't know who my teacher is.
You know or you don't?
I don't know what my teacher is.
Okay, I'm going to tell all of you your teachers right now. I'm going to show you the roster right now, and then I'm going to also paste it on the Google Classroom. So you will know all your teachers and who all are in your classes. Okay, and I think Advik, did I answer your question for the clubs?
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
So, in the schedule, when you're supposed to do the clubs, you didn't mention the storytelling club.
It did. You all had the chance. There were all the.
Yeah, but in the schedule you sent us, you said all of the clubs except storytelling.
Okay, because that was added at the last minute, but I can add that club to that.
Okay.
And when you signed up in the form does mention the storytelling club. You have a choice there.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, good. So now do you know that you're going to do only one club in a day? Not all the clubs.
Yeah.
Everybody is going to get only do 4 clubs out of 6 because there are 3-day rotations. Okay, Karina, आपको कोई सवाल है?
मुझे टीचर पता है.
आपको टीचर पता है? कौन है आपकी टीचर?
ये मेरी बड़ी मम्मा के पास आई और इधर मेरे घर के पास भी आई.
अच्छा, उनका नाम क्या है? नीरू आंटी है ना? नीरू आंटी.
हाँ, मैं उसको जानती हूँ. मैं.
ठीक है. Okay, Rishi, आपको you have a question?
I have a question. So, what do you say about what you said something? Can you say it again? Oh, there was some background noise, so I couldn't hear it.
You want me to say about what?
You said something, right? Right now you said something like about something. I have like a question about the summer camp actually.
You have a question about summer camp?
Yeah.
Go ahead, ask.
So in the summer camp, along with singing and dance, will they teach anything else, like some like origami or anything?
Yeah, you have clubs. You are supposed to make the selection of clubs. So there's a one is art club, one is singing, dancing, science, storytelling, and also cooking. So there are 6 clubs, and then we'll do yoga every morning. So those are the things that you will do, and then you will also learn about Jaisalmer, Delhi, and Goa. Then you will make your own research on any city that you want to present about in India, and you will make a presentation. You can make your book about the presentation, or you can make a video, you can make a PowerPoint slide, howsoever you want to make that presentation. So that will be the end task of your project. And you can do it alone, or you can work with your friends, collaborate, and do in the teams of 2, 3, 4 kids. Okay.
Okay.
Question? Okay, did you all get the books? Who does not have their books yet?
Me.
Who?
Anish.
Anish, you have your books. I know you got the books. You came here to get the books. You forgot? Are you being just silly?
I'm getting my books after
Oh,
today's class.
Say that again.
I'm getting my books after today's class.
You're getting your books today. Very good. Okay, how about you, Naisha?
This is Myra, and I'm getting my book tomorrow morning.
Okay, very good.
I'm going to get like on the weekend sometime.
Okay, those who were supposed to get those in mail, Karina, did you get your books?
Yeah, I actually got mine yesterday.
Okay, very good. How about you, Rishi? You got your books today? You are supposed to all enter your book collection details, and then you're going to collect those books from here, or I would okay. I see Amaya has her books. Very good. Amaya came here to pick up the books. All right. Okay.
I
So,
have my books.
okay, and if you have your books, then you can see what is all in there. That is all we're going to cover in the camp. Okay, Krishi, do you have a question?
My dad is getting the books after dinner.
Okay, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, निवी के पास भी किताबें है. बहुत अच्छा. Excellent. I can see kids showing the books. Okay, Parnika has her book. Did you go through the book? How do you like the books? You think you can read all that information now?
Yes, I did, and I was reading the covers of the books.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, Vihan, do you have a question?
I didn't read the books.
You didn't read? That's okay. You'll get to read those in the camp. Okay, Siddharth.
Are the books written in Hindi or in English?
Okay, that's a very good question. What is your guess?
Hindi.
Hindi. Yes, it is in Hindi. You got it right. I hope that you can, and that's why you had all this pre-camp Hindi literacy, so you can all start reading and writing in Hindi so that you don't get lost. Oh, what am I reading? This is Greek or French or Russian or Italian, but this is Hindi. Okay, Anjika.
So, I already know how to read Hindi because there's this book that I like to read a lot, which has a few Hindi stories in it, and then I read all of them.
That's excellent. That's a good way to learn any languages, to read lots of books or maybe watch movies in that language. Okay, Shanmukha. Shanmukha, you have a question? Okay, so if nobody has any question, we're going to now go to the bookcreator.com. If you have your hands raised, I see Ahika, Naisha, Anjika, Parnika, your hands raised. If you can just please lower them so that I know that nobody has any more question. Unless you have a question, then please go ahead.
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
So, how do we sign into Book Creator?
How do you go into Book Creator?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, I'm telling you this one more time that I sent this link to all of your parents in the last week's class update after July 2 Friday in the evening after our class was done. I sent that as your homework that you are all supposed to join bookcreator.com with your Google credentials, and I send the library code. If you click on,
I didn't join yet, but my sister said she'll let me join on her account later.
okay, so do it at ASAP because on Monday itself you're going to start working on your books in bookcreator.com. Okay, Sesha, do you have a question? Or Shanmukha? Shanmukha, you have your hand up for a long time. Can you say what it is? Are you there? Shanmukha, go ahead. Okay, looks like you're frozen. Okay, then we're going to go to the bookcreator.com right now.
I have a question.
Okay.
So how are we gonna join our class for like the main camp?
Okay, so for that main camp, again, if your teachers haven't reached out to you yet, they will do it either today or tomorrow. And then they will send you the Google Classroom code for your individual class. So just like we have this big Google Classroom for the whole camp, you'll have your individual classrooms. They will send you the link, and I will also post those links on the main classroom, and I'll post the roster there so you will know which classroom you belong to, and in that class you will have the Zoom link for that class. And I will also post the Zoom links for all the clubs, because there will be different Zoom links for the clubs, different Zoom link for the regular class, and different Zoom link, the one that we use for this class, that will be used for yoga class in the morning. So at 9 a.m. you start coming in around 8:50, 8:55. You settle down at 9 a.m. we'll do the yoga, we'll see some song maybe. And 9 to 9:25 is that. Then you have a break. Then you go to your main classroom, 9:30 to 10:15. 10:15 to 10:30 there's a break, but you may remain logged into the classroom. Then 10:30 to 11:15 there's a second learning period. Then 11:15 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. 1 hour asynchronous learning. Do you know what is asynchronous learning is?
Yeah, asynchronous learning is like learning where you do all your assignments without like joining the meet.
Right. So if you need help, there will be teachers and volunteers available in the classroom, but you will be all like muted and your cameras off, and you can do your own work. There will be assignments like VoiceThread, Edpuzzle that you already done in last 6 weeks, or you'll be writing in the book. And that is done until 12:15 p.m. Then until 1 p.m. you have lunch break. Then 1 to 1:40 p.m. is your club time. You finish the clubs and then you come back into the main classroom 1:45 to 2:30 p.m. You do your work in the last period, write your exit cards, and then you say goodbye for that day. And then we repeat this every day of the camp for next 3 weeks.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody has any question about this? Okay, Rishi.
Wait, so like after yoga, are we gonna also practice our Hindi? I asked this previously. So like during club time, so we have to work on our PowerPoint. But during lunch break, can we also do like something else? Like after our lunch, like before lunch is done, we can like after I finish my lunch, kind of like just like do like finish that work, like do some more work, so I can finish it faster and I can have more time to revise my work.
Yeah, sure. You can do in asynchronous hour. There will be lots of other assignments also posted. There will be Quizlet. There will be reading on VoiceThread. You can do more if you want. There's always more that you can do. And you have the whole book. You can start reading the book because now you can all read. There's lots to read in that book. It's a 64-page book, and there are some songs in it, and there are write-ups about different places in India because it's all about India. You know why we are celebrating India's theme today? I mean, this year? It is India's 75th Independence Day. Do you know when is India's Independence Day? When?
August 24th. It's in August?
August August 24th?
August 15th.
15 August.
15 August, August 15 is the Independence Day. And what Independence Day we just celebrated? Okay, Parnika?
When India got independent,
No, which Independence Day we just celebrated? Nandini?
America's independence.
America's Independence Day, July 4th. And India also got independence from the same country. Which country was that?
England. Britain.
England. America and India, we both got our independence from England. And India got on August 15, America got July 4th. Do you like to be free or do you like to be part of UK?
Free.
Free, we are all free people, right? So that is what we are celebrating this year because it's India's 75th Independence Day and you're going to make a presentation about a city or a place in India. If you are from a certain place in India, like if you have a family in, let's say, Chennai or Hyderabad or Mumbai or Pune or Delhi, you can either research any of those places or you can do the research on the places that you're learning in the camp, or you can do a completely new place because you want to learn about new place and you can present that place as your final project. Okay, I think we are ready to move to the bookcreator.com. Are you ready? Share screen, book creator. I am here. So you can see now these are all the teachers that have already posted their books. They have made their books and they have posted already those on their classroom. So I'm not going to steal that thunder from their books. I will leave it for you to explore those books of your teachers and you can explore the books of other teachers also. And they have all published their links there. This is my book, so I will just share my book for now today and then I will show you how to start or how to make your own book. So this is my book. This is it has been now translated in 37 world languages, but I'm going to read the one that is in English, or maybe should I read the one in Hindi or the one in English?
Hindi.
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 Okay, बहुत अच्छा. तो हम हिंदी की तरफ चलते हैं. So let me just open this book for now. This is just a cover. Why it's not letting me go to the next one? Okay. So this has all the languages that you can explore this book in, but we're going to read right now Hindi. Okay. This is my Hindi book. Are you seeing the Hindi book now or no?
Yes.
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 तो क्या लिखा है? What does it say?
मेरा झूला.
मेरा
झूला.
Jhula is my
मेरा झूला.
good. Who wants to read the next one? Anybody
Can
wants?
I do it?
Okay.
Anjika.
Okay, Anjika, go ahead.
यह मेरा झूला है. मुझे मेरा झूला बहुत पसंद है.
What does that mean?
It means that it's your swing and you love it a lot.
Very good. Okay. Advik, do you want to read the next one?
Sure. कभी मैं मेरे झूले पर बैठ कर झूलती हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
Sometimes I sit on my swing and then swing like that.
Okay. And then what is the next line, Mamaya?
तो कभी खड़ी हो कर।
इसका क्या मतलब?
तो पहले आपने बोला था कि कभी कभी आप बैठते हो झूले पर आप खड़े भी हो सकते हो।
Correct. Sometimes I sit on the swing, sometimes I stand and swing. Okay, Nandika, I mean Nandini.
कभी मैं मेरे झूले पर उल्टा लटक जाती हूँ.
Okay, इसका क्या मतलब है?
Sometimes I swing upside down.
Very good. Ulta is upside down. Latak jana is like hang upside down on my swing. Okay, उसके बाद Ahika, do you want to read the next one?
Yes. तो कभी मेरे झूले
Go ahead.
तो कभी झूले के मदद से योगासन करती हूँ।
इसका क्या मतलब?
It means sometimes I do practice yoga on my swing.
Very good. Okay, next. Mishka, you want to read this one? Okay, Karina, you want to read? No? Okay, who wants to read this one? Let's say Sohan, do you want to read this one?
Hobby. मैं झूले पर लेट कर आराम करती हूँ.
कभी मैं झूले पर लेटकर आराम करती हूँ, मतलब क्या? Sometimes
I lay down and rest on my swing.
right, I just relax, I lie down on my swing. और उसके बाद अनिश, उसके बाद क्या है? तो Anish, are you going to read? तो को ओ की मात्रा तो कभी
की किताब पढ़ती हूँ.
So sometimes I relax and sometimes
I read my book.
right. Kitab is book and I read. किताब पढ़ती हूँ. Okay, Rishi, can you read the next one?
Okay. They.
कभी.
One minute. There's some background noise. Just 2 minutes.
Okay, Ishank, do you want to read this one?
कभी मैं
मेरे
झूला पर
बैठ
कर
ध्यान लगाती
लगाती हो.
कभी मैं मेरे झूले पर बैठकर ध्यान लगाती हूँ. ध्यान लगाना means anybody knows?
Focus.
It's meditation. So you just close your eyes and just think about nothing. Just focus on your breath. So kabhi I sit on my swing and I just meditate. And what do I do next, Tanishka?
तो कभी you he को
कुछ
सोचने लग जाती हूँ.
So then sometimes I meditate and sometimes
I think about something.
Yeah, I just start thinking about
Think.
something. कुछ भी सोचने लग जाती हूँ. Okay, so then उसके बाद okay, Lakshmi, do you want to read this one?
Okay. मुझे मेरे झूले
से बहुत
प्यार
है. मुझे मेरे झूले से बहुत प्यार है. इसका क्या मतलब?
I love my swing
I
a
love
lot.
my swing very much.
Yeah, I love my swing a lot. And then what does the last line say?
आपको मेरा झूला कैसा लगा?
आपको मेरा झूला कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा
बहुत
लगा.
अच्छा लगा है ना?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा. धन्यवाद. अभी हम चलते हैं हमारे बुक क्रिएटर में फिर से. तो अभी हम आ गए बुक क्रिएटर. सो सपोज जैसे अभी मैं देखूंगी कि यहाँ पर लाइब्रेरी में कौन कौन आज अभी आपको बुक क्रिएटर दिख रहा है, जो सारी लाइब्रेरीज दिख रही है.
हाँ.
तो इस लाइब्रेरी में अगर मुझे देखना है कि अभी कौन कौन आ गए, तो मुझे दिख रहे हैं कि ARP तो कौन है मुझे पता, शायद आद्या और वो होंगे आर्या. फिर आरणा है, आद्विक, अमाया, अरुणा जैन, आर्यन, आशीष कथुरिया, अयाना भादविया, भानु, दीपा, गुरु श्रावणी, हिमांशु. सॉरी, कहीं हम उल्टे चले गए. आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोग आपके पिताजी के नाम से भी आप लोग ज्वाइन हुए हैं. तो अगर आप लोगों के नाम से उन्होंने ज्वाइन करा होगा तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. तो आप उनको बोल सकते हैं कि प्लीज हमारे नाम से ही ज्वाइन करवाइए. ये मुझे इनको नहीं बताना है यार. कहाँ गई लाइब्रेरी?
I think that you just clicked on him in the list. That's why it's just saying his name whenever you click it.
I know, but okay, now there I am. Okay.
Yeah, I think it might
Okay,
work.
so I see all these kids are already here. I see Preeti Raj, that means Krishiv is here, Anjika is here, I think Shanmuka, Mishka, Ahika, and Parnika. They are all here. So just make sure that you come here. I see Lakshmi has already started a book. So when you do this, you click on this new book here, and then you have a choice of selecting the उसका टेम्पलेट क्या होना चाहिए. So you can choose portrait or square or landscape. So let's say you go with landscape. Then you see this plus sign here. Do you see a plus sign in the upper right corner? Yes? Yes or no?
And it just popped up on my book creator screen too.
Okay. Rishi, do you have a question?
Wait, I have a question. Like, can you share the invite code in Google Classroom so I can join this?
Yeah, I sent it in last week's class update. Please check your class update from last week, July 2. After class, I send this, I will send it again. And I also posted it on Google Classroom. So you should all be checking the Google Classroom postings where you can see, and then you can click on that. Okay, and then if you click on this plus sign here, you can import, or you can import images from your computer or your phone, or you can actually take a picture right now and put it there, or you can write something with your pen, or you can add a text box. So let's say I add a text box and I want to type in Hindi, so I will select my Hindi keyboard and I say Mera Parichay, that means my introduction. So now I put it here. So this is my title. Now if I want to make it big, I go to this eye and I can increase this size so it becomes bigger. I can make this bigger. This looks quite big. So this is good enough. And I'll make this bigger like this. And maybe I can make it centered. And now I can move this whole text box here. Or if it is too big, and let's say I want to add a picture here, so I will say import. Okay, Anjika, आपको सवाल है?
So, one thing that I know that you should, whenever the blue lines are around your text, then only you can make it bigger.
Yeah, but as I said, even though it was not around my text, I could still make it bigger. You can just go on this eye, and if you, let's say if you're here, you go on the eye, and then you can make it as small or as big as you want here. Okay.
Okay.
And then you can also make it bold if you want. You can underline it if you want, just like any other text editing features, you can use those. Let's say if I want to have a background, and let's say I chose this background. So it gave a background to my title. Okay, Karina, do you have a question? What is your question?
My computer accidentally restarted, so I didn't see how you got to that thing. So I didn't really get everything.
Okay, so I will show, once you are in this library here, you can click on this new book. And then you have this choice of different book sizes. Let's say you choose landscape. Once you are here, then you go on the, click on the plus sign. Let's say you want to import an image. So you go import files. Let's say I go to my files and I see if I want to put it, because on the day one, you're going to make a book about yourself. So make sure you all have access to your picture, that's your favorite picture that you want to put, maybe your activities like you do dance, or you play piano, or you play soccer. So you can choose any picture that you want. So let's say if I want to choose my picture, and I choose this because this is a Chicago background and this is my latest picture. So I chose this picture, and now this is my picture here. So if I want to keep it, I keep it here, and I will say, okay, let's say I want to add some background to this. So maybe this is going to be my background. And then if I want to add a text to this, so I say text, and I want to type in Hindi. So maybe type karungi Mera Parichay. Okay, so this means it's about me, it's my book. And if I want to bring this book here, this title, and now because it is highlighted, I clicked on it, so I'm going to make it bigger. So because it's my title, this is too big. So I can make this box bigger, so it will all fit in there. And this is my book now. Oops, where did it go? Oh, it went behind. Now we can see it's behind the picture. So I'm going to click on that, and I will say move to the front. So it should come to the front. Come on, where did my title go? Why it's not coming to the front? Move to front. It's still okay. I'm going to move to back. No. Okay, I'm going to just make it smaller. Okay. So for now, if this is going to be my book and my picture, but if I want to change it, I can change it, or I can add more pictures. Now, if I want to record this, so I will say record, and it says start recording. So I will say, Mera Parichay. Then I can check my record. Mera Parichay. Then I say use recording. Then you can see this icon here. I can move it anywhere I want. So now next time when you publish the book, Mera Parichay. So people can also listen to it and you can also record it, your voice. And Adya is here. Okay. So let's say if I want to make this bold, then it will become even bigger. So I just increase the size of the box. And let's say if I want, I come back here. Now if I want to add a background to this, I can also add a background. Maybe I want to make it in this color or maybe this. That's still too much. Maybe it's white. Okay. So you can play with it. And like that, you can keep adding pages to this. So you can go to the next page. Then again, you come back to this plus sign. Let's say you say import and maybe you want to import a map. So let's say I want to type Bharat. I want to have Bharat map. Let's see if it shows Bharat. So it is showing me some Bharat map. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, 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 smaller. So I can see whole of India. Okay, so this is my India map here. And I'm going to, let's say, upload it here. I say add. So if you want to make this book about India, you can also add maps to that. Or I can actually add, because this is just like a geographical thing. So if I want to add, and if you want to lock it, you can lock it in place. But let's say I want to cut it. I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to add this image from my file. So I go again, import file, and I say India map in Hindi. Okay. So this is India map in Hindi. So let's say I put this map up here. So now this is my India map. So for your camp, if you want to write about a certain place, you can first start by putting a map, and then you can add more things to this. And again, if you want to change the background, I can give it a blue background here. There are also a lot of textures, this kind of thing, or borders that you can add. Okay, Karina. Anything that you want to add that make it nicer, you can do that.
Yeah, this is actually really, really good because I also do a little bit of some coding. And wait, what was the third thing? Oh yeah, right. How do you get into the link?
I sent you this link last week in the class update, bookcreator.com. You sign up with your Google credentials as a student and then join the library code that I sent to you last week. Okay, anybody has any other question? Adya?
There was a internet problem for me, and I just got here and I don't know what this is.
Okay, this is bookcreator.com. I was just giving a demo of how to get started with your books in the bookcreator.com. Okay, your teachers will also explain to you again this on day 1 so that you will know how to do it. Okay, Shanmukha, do you have a question?
Since there's 2 of us, in the email it showed our teachers, but it didn't say which teacher was for which person.
Okay.
So we're confused for which teacher is for which.
Did you receive intimation from 2 teachers or just 1 teacher so far? Because you two are in 2.
From 2 teachers.
You got it from 2 teachers, and
yeah,
they didn't tell you the roster, like they didn't say it is for who.
No, the teacher didn't mention the names of the.
Okay, I'm going to post a detailed roster, and I'm going to send it also tonight with the class update, so you will know exactly who is in whose class. Okay, and I will post it on the Google Classroom. Okay, Adya, do you have a question?
My dad has a question. He's asking what time the next class begins and if it is 9 o'clock a.m. Chicago time.
Yes, it's all Central Time. All the timings are Chicago times, and the class schedule, camp schedule, everything has been posted on the Google Classroom. And you will also get this all information for your individual classrooms. So you can join your classroom and the posted there also. Every day our timing is 9 to 2:30 p.m. And we just went over all the schedule. I know you came late, Adya, but we went over all of those things just now. I will also make a recording of this class. I mean, I'm recording it already. So I will post the video. So whatever you missed now, you can always go and check the video. So you can see everything what we are doing.
And is there a link for the Google Classroom?
Yes, you should have received it from your teacher, but if you did not, again, I will put it all in the class update for tonight. Okay?
Okay.
Another more important thing is your parents all were supposed to take the Star Talk survey. Can you go and ask your parents right now if they took the Star Talk survey for each of you? If there are 2 kids in the family, they need to take 2 surveys because so far only half the people have taken the survey. Can you please ask your parents right now and tell me now if you took the survey, because they're supposed to do it before the camps, which is today, because then Saturday, Sunday is weekend, and then we have the camp on Monday. Please.
My parents did it.
My parents did it.
Parents, they
Parents did not do it.
We took the survey.
Okay, if you haven't,
the survey.
please,
We took the survey.
please tell your parents to do it now. If there is another device in the house, please.
We did it.
Please have them today. Now. Okay, Adya, do you have another question? No, okay, because your hand is still up there. Okay, so far we were on this book here. So like this, I'm going to keep adding more information about, let's say, what you do. So I'm going to show you some examples. And once you have that book ready, then we can publish it. You cannot publish it. I will have to publish it for you once your book is ready. Then it will be online, and then you can share the link of that book with your family, your friends in India here, and they'll be all impressed with your super Hindi book. And you will record it in Hindi, you'll write in Hindi. You can, if you cannot type yet, you can write in your notebook whatever you want to put on that, like a caption, and then you can take a picture of that and then insert it as an image. So it's very important that you all have a folder on your computer about all the images that you want to put in your book. For example, as I said, like your own picture or your activities or your favorite food or your family, whatever that you want to talk about in the beginning, please put all that information in a folder so you can just upload it from your folder onto the book. And it will remain in the book. If you don't want to publish it to anybody, you can keep it as a private book. It doesn't need to publish. Okay, Anjika?
So I have 2 questions. The first one is that like your screen is frozen on the files. So can you just like reshare it?
Okay, let me do that. Thank you for letting me know that.
He just wasn't doing anything in it.
Oh, it wasn't doing anything? Okay, how long was it like that? I thought I was showing you some stuff and looks like I was.
Since like after you showed the files.
Oh, after I showed you the files? Okay. Sorry.
And then the second one was that when you were showing like to change the backgrounds, I saw how you could make the text move to front.
Oh, you saw that? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait, let me see. No, okay, so let me go back to that again and I'll reshare. Where is my share screen? Okay, so right now I was on this India thing because I brought this image. So what you were saying is, how do I bring it forward?
So just click your text.
Click where?
Click your text, or you could click your picture.
Okay, I'm clicking my picture.
So then click the eye.
Yeah.
So no, I think then you have to do it with the text then. So then you just click the text and then click the I.
No, but see, if I do the right click, it is giving me like move to front, move to back. But if I click the I, then it doesn't give me that choice.
Yeah, it's like down. It's all the way down.
Okay, front. Okay, let's see if it's front. Now let's see if I make this bigger. Okay, yeah, you're right. So it is from there I can do that. Very good. So you can,
It's probably a glitch.
yeah. So you can just play with it, you can record it, and then you can keep adding as many pages. So the idea is every day in the asynchronous hour, you will put something in this book about maybe your day's learning. So on the first day, you're going to learn about yourself, where you live. So you can write about yourself and you can see some books, examples of your teachers have made. So let's see, you go to this, okay, I see Prajakta Bapat. So Siddharth has already made a book. And Parnika started making Amaya. Good job. You guys are already ahead of the game. Fantastic. And I see Lakshmi already has her picture on that. And you guys have back and started playing with it. This is amazing. And feel free to explore your teacher's book. So this is Prerna Auntie. This is her book. You can listen to her. Let's say.
ये मैं हूँ.
Okay. And then
यह मेरा परिवार है और हमारी मस्ती हो रही है.
So they are doing masti. So they are showing all their activities. What are they doing? And their family. Anjika is there. Abir Bhaiya is going to be one of our volunteers in the class. And this is Prerna Auntie and her husband. And what she likes to do. Unko gana pasand hai. She likes to sing. So you can learn about all this. And you can explore. There are all of your teachers' books are here. So let me go back again. You can see Ashish Uncle's book. They have all recorded it in their voice. So you can learn about your teachers and the cool things that they all do. And then you, of course, you get to share your cool things with them and your classmates. And everything will be in Hindi. So this is Shikha Auntie. That was Bhanu Auntie before. So let's say Shikha Auntie has written about her and her family and what they like to do, all their hobbies. And this is Neeru Auntie. Neeru Auntie likes gardening and she likes yoga. She likes to play tennis. All the cool things, all the food and the weather she likes. And this is Kiran Auntie. So we have 9 teachers in the class. And we have 4 volunteers. There are 4 classes. You can explore. This is Shipra Auntie. So all these books are in the library. Good thing is you will not be able to do anything to anybody else's book. So you cannot touch anybody else's book or nobody else can do anything to your book. So you can just work on your book and have fun with it. Do what you want to do with it. Add as many details as you want. And once you are done at the end of the camp, we're going to publish this. This is Aruna Auntie's book. So at least you should look at your teacher's books once you know who your teachers are and learn about them. And you can surprise your teachers on day 1 that I know you play tennis. मुझे पता है आप खाना बनाते हैं, आप tennis खेलते हैं, आप yoga करते हैं, whatever you know about them. And there are some coronavirus books that Aruna Auntie has made a poem about. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing. Let me just take here for a second. Let's just move here. All right, I'm going to just here. Okay, so I think you are all pretty good at this because you are obviously in technology ahead of all of us. You already know a lot, so I don't need to explain any more. You just need to get the code and get into the book. Okay, anybody has any other question? No, everybody good? All excited to come to the camp on Monday? Very good. Please watch the update, see the update tonight. You'll know your
I
class.
have one question.
Yeah, one question, okay.
So for the camp, are we doing it online or like?
Yeah, everything is online this year. No, there's no doubt, there's no alternative for that. And we have kids from all around the country. We have kids from 8 states now. That's the good thing about being online, that you're connected with so many kids. We have teachers from 3 states or 4 states, I think, and kids from 8 kids. Tanishka, did you get your books today or yesterday?
I got my books yesterday.
Very good. Okay. Rishi, did you get your books? Adya, Arya, do you?
Wait. I didn't get my books. I'm gonna get them. We not receive a message yet.
I got my books.
Yeah, because I think your books were sent out on Fridays. You should have on Tuesdays. Should have received them by today. Okay, and I see all the other hands going up. Okay, Parnika, do you have a question?
I had a really quick question. Is in the morning I was checking if there was anything posted on the Google Classroom, and there was a new Google Classroom. It was from my teacher, and there was 2 files or Google Sheets that I needed access in, and I could not open them. They were the attendance sheet and one more. I could not get to them.
That's okay. Now you can talk to your teachers on Monday. I'm sure they will give you the access that you need the access to. Probably they will not give you access to attendance sheet. They will mark the attendance for you, right?
Okay.
Okay. Myra, do you have a question?
So how do you like write on the on your page? Like how do you write on your page?
So you have to first you have to have the typing ability. Like did you install the Hindi typing keyboard now? Do you have it now?
I don't know, but I might get it.
Okay, so once you have it, then you can, when you go into the book, you can click on the plus sign, then you can see a text box, and you click on the text box, then you can start entering the information. So everything in the book will be in Hindi. If you don't know how to type in Hindi, you can write in your notebook what you want to write, take a picture of that, and post it on the book like an image. So it will be under your picture, it will be a written description. Okay, Advik, do you have a question?
Yeah. Will we be using the same spreadsheet for the work in our camp?
Your spreadsheet from the pre-camp literacy?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one you will not need now because you will right away submit your work in the class document. So because that one was mainly for the written assignment, because we had one common classroom and everybody was creating their own folders. So we needed to have the links, but you can keep that folder and the spreadsheet for your record, so you know what you did and where it is located, so you can always access it. Okay. Okay, so namaste. फिर मिलेंगे सोमवार को. Bye. No homework this week. Yeah.
Bye.
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 Again, before I say namaste.
Bye, Aryan.
Namaste.
Bye, Tanishka. Bye, Aryan. Namaste, Vasanti ji.
Namaste. Vidya ji, my role from Monday on, what would it be?
Wait.
I come in the morning.
Let me stop recording here.